it's very difficult to program a badly functioning system. You'd have to deliberately go in and sabotage it. My name's Daniel Crick. I'm from Hidden Home Technology. Been in the industry some time. I would guess that's about 24 years. Well, this installation is effectively a garage conversion cinema. It was a recommendation through another client, a 7.1 cinema. We wanted as higher quality per channel as we could get to. It was a balancing act between music performance, the movie performance, and interior design considerations. We wanted hidden speakers, but yet we wanted enough space to squeeze past. So to get this 3-seater sofa, there weren't many choices. And then again, crowbarring in ergonomic space behind for an additional row was difficult, and then keeping everybody in the sweet spot for performance was also difficult. In this specific install, the reason I chose URC is the same reason I always choose URC: reliability, efficiency, and support. URC does its thing with the one button press, prepares the system, turns everything on, becomes the remote you want. The app is also amazing, which then allows us to have Rune side by side using the shortcuts. The fact you're on the iPad already means you can easily swap between native apps and the URC variant. The amount of useful two-way modules, the Rayco with the unified modules, and there's also a Storm audio for the processor. The Apple TV in particular gives you Siri integration, and it's fully native to Apple HomeKit, so it feels incredibly responsive, incredibly reliable, and it's very intuitive to install and programming. So the stability of the URC app is so good on the iPad that I never fear using iPads as a primary interface. Navigating TV guides or menu structures with up, down, left, right. We also provided the hard button URC control so that you can do it without looking. So we've got both interfaces in here, so there's zero compromise. The tech support from AWE is second to none. Yeah, whenever you phone them, whenever you need them, they're always there, whether that's even sometimes out of hours. Yeah, I can't rate it enough. Everything with Hidden Home is done in-house wherever possible, offering the interior design as a service rather than kind of building other people's designs just means that everything's better. The performance of the rooms is better, the actual designs are better. We're starting to have like a signature look, although everything is absolutely unique and designed to the client's requirements. We would have struggled to have done better from the client's perspective. They enjoyed having us here as human beings in their house. It's been very well received, and I hope to play it to you guys so you can understand why. To have every single job outside of the US eligible for the award and to come out on top, yeah, I think that's pretty cool.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and check out more of our content below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to stay updated when new videos go live. We'd love to hear from you, so drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thanks for watching!